I don't know who this is for, but you're not falling apart. You're just being rebuilt. YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Ninja's Dope. Back in another video in JD Nation. What's up with it, man? Hey, yes, sir. Y'all see by that title? Yes, you're not falling apart. Your life isn't falling apart. You're just being rebuilt, man. You're in the process of being rebuilt. You know, whatever situation you went through before this moment, it felt like your whole world was coming to an end. We've all been there. You know, I've been there. Your favorite celebrity has been there. You know what I'm saying? Before they reached that moment of success, whatever that was, they had to go through something. They had to go through probably something traumatic, you know, something very dramatic, you know, and they made it through it. They made it through it, man. I want you guys to know that God is going to give you more than you can bear. He gives his toughest battles to his toughest soldiers, to his strongest soldiers, man. And I know that saying is very cliche. We hear it all the time, but it's true. It is definitely true. If he didn't think that you could make it through, you know what I'm saying? Like, he wouldn't like put that load on you. You feel me? I love the story of Job in the Bible, man. You may not know how the story of Job started, bro. Like, he was one of the most faithful people to God. You know what I'm saying? He was very faithful to God. I'm just paraphrasing. And the devil actually went to God and was like, is there anybody that I can, you know, mess with? You feel me? And God was like, have you considered my servant Job? The funniest or the craziest thing about that story is God considered Job. He pointed out Job to the devil. You can do all you want to do. Just don't do too much. You know what I'm saying? And that's the thing, bro. The devil can't do that much to you because God still has his hands on you. You know what I'm saying? And you're one of God's faithful ones, man. Like, you're God's chosen one. You feel me? And he is going to put more on you than you can bear. So yeah, bro, like, I love the story of Job because all that he went through, he still stayed faithful to God. And that's how we need to be, man. We need to know that these things aren't happening to us. Whatever you're going through, it isn't happening to you. It's happening for you. It's to build that character up inside of you. You know, every test, every trial that I face, I always look at it as, okay, this is God testing me to not tear me down, but to build me up and to make me stronger. Because there are some things that he knows that isn't inside of me that I need inside of me to fulfill my purpose that he has for my life. So that's what I want you guys to know, man. Like, there's something that you're going through right now. Just think about it. Think about what it is that you're going through and ask yourself, ask God, ask God, why am I going through this? You know what I'm saying? He wants you to talk to him, ask him questions. You feel me? If you feel like you're about to lose your mind, hey, God, I'm about to lose my mind, bro. Let me know what it is that you need me to learn from this situation. You know what I'm saying? And he'll talk to you. He may not talk to you audibly, you know what I'm saying? But he'll show you signs and things like that. You just got to ask him. You just got to reach out to him. And he'll answer to you. Like, he knows that we are going to make it out of that situation. We just have to figure it out. And most importantly, we have to lean on him. Because we can't lean on our own understanding. Because the more that we lean on our own understanding, the more that we dig ourselves in that hole. You feel me? So it's like we have to put our pride aside, put our knowledge to the side, and be like, all right, God, I'm leaning on you. I'm trusting on you. I'm trusting in you. But yeah, bro, I think that's all I really have to say, man. I don't really have anything I need to say because it's pretty straight to the point, man. Like I said, if you are going through a situation right now, like I said, I don't know who this is for, bro. Like as y'all seen in the past couple of videos, I've just been talking. Like, whatever comes to my mind, whatever God gives me to come and bring to you guys. When I turn this camera on, like, I literally just pressed the record button and I just started talking, you know? So, yeah, bro, like, whatever it is that you're going through, just know that you're not alone. We're living in a time now where a lot of people are going through the same thing. Literally, people are going through the same exact thing, bro. So just know you're not the only one going through it. And there's probably somebody going through something worse, you know? So, I've always... Well, as of recently, I've just been so grateful of my problems because my problems may be somebody's smallest problem or their biggest problem. We have to be grateful for our storms sometimes because, hey, sometimes our storms, sometimes our battles, they're going to make us stronger, you know, and also there's somebody out there that may be going through something way worse, you know, so we have to be grateful for where we are, because at one point, think about it like this, at one point you prayed to get to where you are right now. Right? We prayed to get to the point where we are right now. I know I've prayed to get to this point, or at least somewhere close to this point, or somewhere past this point. I'm better off than I was, especially last year. And not just talking like financially and things like that, but also mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You know, like I'm way, like my spiritual life is way better than it was a year ago. You know, and that's all glory be to God. Yeah, man, like I said, I don't want to get on here and yap any longer. I'm not going to try to force it. Hey, I just want to give you that message to let you know that, yeah, hey, look, bro, you're not alone, and you can do this. Hey, comment down below, I can do this. I can do this. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And if you like videos like this, if you just like sitting down and hearing somebody like me, you know, talk to y'all. Hey, look, bro, I don't know what God got me doing, especially like filming videos like this, bro. If you would ask me, back in 2016 when I created this channel, if I was gonna sit here, or if I was gonna be sitting here talking to y'all like this, I would have been like, nah. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, God, he has a funny way of doing things and bringing your purpose out of you. You know what I'm saying? So hey, just lean on him, like I said earlier, man. That's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nate Just Dope signing out. Deuces.